first is by using a postman. Okay, so first is by using a postman, and then is by using a rest assured. Okay, so rest assured is also a tool. Okay, rest assured is also a tool which is in a Java library. By using this we are automating an APIs. Okay, so in this also we are referring official document of the rest assured. If I want to show you the official document, this is an official document of the rest assured. Okay, so this is the official document of the rest assured. By using this official document we will be performing the scenarios. Okay, so we have to learn how to go through this official document and how to utilize this and what all the information they have provided. This is the multiple version they have released here. The latest version is 5.2.0. Like if you have experience with the UI testing. Okay, so you will be knowing, okay, how selenium will work, right? So we will be using a dependency of the selenium in order to make use of its classes and the inbuilt method which is available in it. The similar way here also we are doing the same. We are taking the dependency of the rest assured in order to take a in order to use the classes and the method which is available from it. Okay, so for this to start with the postman we don't require any prerequisite. Okay, so I will only go taking you guys through the from basics to the complete API testing using a postman. I will only be teaching everything. Okay, so here we will be performing till the report generation as well. Okay, so if you want to start with the manual test approach of the postman manual test approach of the API testing, you can also do that. Nowadays we can also say we can also achieve the automation by using in a postman through the scripting. Okay, so that will also be done through the scripting. By using a scripting part we can achieve that. Okay, but since in this batch you guys are asking to include the rest assured as well, so I will just speak with the management today. I will just take you as usual, however the my whole batches are running. Okay, so I thought to take only with the postman, but as you people are requesting, just I will just going through the same concepts what we are covering for the previous batches. So here, in order to perform the gesture show, we require Java language. Okay, so Java language is required here in order to write the script by using a programming language. Okay, so we are utilizing the gesture show library, and by using a Java language, we are writing the script in order to perform the API testing here. Okay, so here we should need a Java language. So not a advanced Java, just a core Java part is enough. Okay, like what is class? Okay, what is class? What is variables? What is variables and data types? Okay, what is class? What is variables and what data types and access modifier, access modifier and oops concepts, complete oops concepts. Okay, and exception handling, exception handling and collection. Okay, the core Java part basically. Okay, so if you can go through the DurgaSoft YouTube channel, there's also all the core Java videos available. You can go through that, which is the very best. Okay, so after learning the core Java, not learning it, I'm not spending more with the core Java part. I will just take a 2 days to explain this. Okay, so while we are working with the Postman, you have to refer the videos and you have to learn the at least the basics. Okay, so after covering this, then we are taking a rest assured and working with the all the scenarios which is available in the official document. Okay, so all the scenarios will be covering here, like how to perform the CRUD operation, how to perform the CRUD operation, and how to perform logging, and how to perform the validation. Okay, and how to perform the JSON schema. Many more topics are there still. Okay, and how to perform the post, multiple ways of post request, ways of handling post request. Okay, and working with the variables, and working with the request and response specification, working with filters, many more topics. Okay, so many topics are there. Just working with the CRUD operation here means so nothing but you are working with the HTTP method here. Okay, I'm just writing in a single word here. So it includes many tops of topics. Okay, working with all the HTTP methods here. Okay, CRUD operation means this is a basic business operation. Okay, so you are creating the data, you are reading the data, you're updating the data, you're deleting the data. Okay, this is what you perform in any of the application. So how to perform using an API. Okay, so how to perform, how to achieve this, how to make use of an HTTP methods in order to perform the CRUD operation. Okay, how to log the each and every execution, and how to perform the validation on the response, how to send the request to the server, and how to get the response back from the server, and how to perform the validation on those, and how to perform the JSON schema validation. Okay, how to we have a multiple ways of handling the post request. How many ways we have a how many ways we have to handle the post request, and working with the variables concept means, basically dynamically handling the data, and request specification and response specification, and working with the multiple validation methods and filter concepts. Many more concepts are there. Okay, so all those concepts in the content, it will be specified. Just go through that. So covering all the basically what and all the scenarios they mentioned in the in this official document, all the scenarios will be covering. So after covering this, we'll jump towards the framework part. Okay. So in the framework, whatever the things we are learning here, the same thing will be including. Okay. Maybe we are including there, but we'll be handling with more dynamical approach there. Okay. So that will be covered in the framework, and for along with the framework, will be performing the reporting part and CA part, CD part, execution part, reporting and execution part. Okay, reporting and executing will be done with the framework. Okay, so this is how we will be following. So in the postman also the same thing, like how to handle the CRUD operation in the postman, how to handle the CRUD operation in the postman, and how to perform the authentication. So not specified here authentication, that is also be done in the automation. See, whatever the concept we have done, most of the thing will be achieving here as well. Okay, so here how to handle the collection, how to work with the different environments. So maybe you are all belongs to the QA background, means QC background, test engineer background, right? So you might be aware of multiple environments which we will handle in real time. So our APIs also has to work in a different environment, means which has to support. So how to create a multiple environments in a postman, and how to handle that. Okay, how to handle the multiple environments here in the rest assured. means here in the automation, and here also how to work with the different authentication, how to send the request, how to perform the validation, how to traverse through the JSON data. Okay, so along with that, here I forgot to add you. We will be learning before jumping into the Postman, before jumping into the API testing, we will be learning the JSON language. Okay, we'll be learning the JSON language completely. This I will be taking through. Okay, only Java. Before covering the Postman, you have to go through the Java. Okay, you'll be getting a sufficient time here. Okay, so you have to go through the Java basics. So I will just brush up 2 days. Okay, so we'll be learning JSON language, means creation of the data using a JSON, and creation of the complex data, creation of the nested data. All this will be performed here. Okay, so after that only we'll be going towards the API testing. So this is how the flow will be, flow we are following here. Okay. So actually, the one who has joined previously, we have started with the basic intro of the JSON, and I think we have already done the till the data types. Okay, just what is JSON, how it is useful, and what are all the data types is available, and maybe sample of data we try to create. Okay, till that it is completed. Okay, so the one who is joining newly, you have to plan as soon as possible if you have a plans to join. Okay, so because we have to start with this batch, because the one who is paid already, they're waiting for the actual session. Okay, yeah. Any doubt in this explanation?
Yes, ma'am. So, can I ask?
Hmm.
Hello? Yeah. So, whatever the API automation you will achieve from Postman, is it like is there any limitations from rest assured, or like you will get everything from Postman, or any limitations are there on the Postman?
No, no, no. Obviously, you will not be achieved everything like how we are getting a full fledged in the rest assured. Sorry. In the Postman, you will not achieve all those things like how we are achieving in the rest assured. Okay, but most of the tasks we do can perform now by using in a JavaScript. Okay. Yes, Chandrasekhar, I'm trying to cover that as well. Okay, most of the thing, whatever required, I will cover in the Postman as well, Chandrasekhar. Don't worry about it. Okay, so whatever the scenarios in real time it is useful, that all those things we are covering already. So apart from that,
Hi, I am
next.
looking from the scratch of the API testing. Actually, I don't have any idea about API testing,
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
so
yeah, yeah.
that's why I am looking for the scratch.
Yeah, if you're looking for from scratch, yes, we can plan for it. Okay, this is starting from the scratch only.
But as you said now, like for the rest, sure we'll cover some of the parts and more focusing on the automation part.
No, 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 no. It's not like that. What I said is, for the rest assured, you need a idea about a Java. Okay, so Java, and also if I start to explain in the session, it will take a much time to finish it off. Okay, so what I'm saying is, just when we are covering a Postman, so just you have to go through the Java. Okay, I will do the brush up things and all. Just I will spend a 2 days of time to go through the Java. But in the session itself from scratch, I can't tell the Java knowledge. Okay, means I can't share the Java. I mean to say I can't spend the time for that Java and all. Okay, because it will again extend the time. So that's the reason. So when we are going through the Postman, then you guys have to go through the at least a Java part, at least one day one topic. If you guys are just going through that, that is fine. 1 2 days or 3 days I will spend to explain those concepts. So if you are going through that concept on clear, if I am explaining that again, so it will be very easier you guys to catch it. So that's the
So
reason.
rest assured, you will cover completely.
Yes, yes, yeah. Rest assured that I will. That is a part of the course, but Java, you guys have to learn within the Postman completion. Okay.
Okay, got it. And all the links and all, like, what is the downloadable things, like, which
Mm-hmm.
software we need to download or something? You will explain us, right?
Yes, yes, yeah. I will. I will explain that all those things. Okay.
Yeah, okay, fine.
Okay, guys. I have another session to join. Okay, so we'll connect again tomorrow. If you have any doubts, so do ask me, and you can go through the YouTube as well. In that, my whole the demo sessions is available. You can go through that if you have any doubts still. Okay, or else you can call the management and tell them to connect with me. They will connect if you have any things to discuss. Okay.
Okay, one more question. Do we have like real-time example?
Yes, real time example means we'll be using some real time APIs. Okay. Mm, when is this batch
Uh,
started? I am more interested in restaurant as well as postman, but include restaurant. Yes, yes, yeah. See, framework will also be used, and this batch is not started Vamshi yet. Okay, means we are just starting with a demo, but some folks have already paid. Okay, but they are waiting. So since management has requested to continue the demo, some folks has requested to start with one more demo. So they are just continuing with the demos today. Okay, so if you guys have a plan to join, if you have a plan to join only, um, just inform the management when they contact you, and just plan for the enroll, or like ups to you guys, that is okay. But if you're making it, just make it soon, because many folks or other folks are joining, like waiting. Okay.
yeah, ma'am.
What is the
As I
duration for
said,
this course?
See, the timing will be the same. Can you please go mute? Who's that? So timing, is this a fixed timing or will change? See, actually, this is after my office hours only we are keeping it. Okay, so this is the fixed. Before that, I will be also busy in my stuff. Okay, so this is the fixed time.